Answer. Taylor. Okay. Tell any words for Ghanaians.
Already a number. Na dia yana are who say. Enipa wo di judge for atem. Enipa wo di sitting presidents atem. Enipa wo twa mada pakuru ni. Nipa kankan brita. Futa. Na obedru kuro ni mu a. Ni ade na fa. VVIP, presidents, former president, any diplomats ever, when a warrant is on that idiot, and we say we are resetting. So resetting, you know, a binding nibu, a court warrant. Exactly. In 2020, a good father pencil, and the case you call court and NCA officials. Yes, we might discover NCA. Now Justice Cheba for a preside over the matter. And a branch his usual fashion. According to Justice Cheba for them, some our videos, our audios, our year Justice Cheba for a compromise by operation of law. By the convention of the court. Whenever you scandalize, I guess what's court no anymore see. A book court no anymore. All my courts need look a certain way in the eyes of the people. The courts have inherent power. Say omobe frel. Say what cause contempt. If you feel say our rights, or fundamental human right has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitution and Article 33. It says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in here. If says what they said a fundamental human right, the arrest warrant was not issued in accordance with the law. Where is he supposed to seek a redress? Is it not a High Court? Supreme Court will deny it. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It's national security for the back way home by. Nobody na go Supreme Court to say, or more kwama ye arrest warrant for. Ewa abra moon arrested. If it's a national security, police, by the time a guy will be free to our hotel, many of us may be a self ye be a mama we in the service. No see a fan channel. Former Vice President Fio, I want to boy Yakotra, and the heavy security. What kind of foolishness? Have Kelvin Taylor said, ye issue arrest warrant. What Tennessee? More than a year, 5 years. One pair arrest warrant no one samanka. They say what the fake doctor ne buy. I bogu and why yes and one sapa appointment. Name was arrest warrant and that's why. It me man appointment. TS will Supreme Court. Echo offset it. Echo set it aside. Na yebusa. Arrest warrant no. Eye dia badia. Also, you're so daft that even your trauma, Canada, Japan, 1962 year birthday, your trauma, already got 1962 birthday, Canada, Japan, 1962. You are such a daft ass motherfucker. This fool, where you are going? Canada, Japan, 1962. Anyway. Which is script to free anymore? I did not know which court issued it. Unim court to create issue here. Meanwhile, better how about Justice Cheba for the and after the warrant. It's Justice Cheba for now what you call to be. It's a Justice Cheba for no the case was a year NCA case show. And then court what is so. And a warrant, contempt of court is in such a way that when it is issued, you will come before the same court and the same judge. It will say, we did not know which court issued it. Such a daft, dumb statement. Arrest warrant there. Me you arrested why you don't go do court on anymore. Arrest warrant and other charges. It is of no effect. So you don't take this to a Supreme Court. So what's your videos and audios? Justice Cheba for his compromise. Go to court and prove the video and the audio. Now arrest warrant and no. Was me go Supreme Court. Ako set aside the arrest warrant. Now, enforcement of the fundamental human rights of a person. Supreme Court enforce it. There are so many cases which says the Constitution is very clear. When you think your fundamental human right is abused, go to High Court. The order for my arrest was made in breach of my right to be heard. So you can say right to be heard. That is the principle of odi alteram pattern. That means you found brand you. But what is the purpose of the warrant? Warrant is a brand you. Also see a issue warrant in breach of your right by your to be heard. Now court when say what's a brand you? So also audios, a video. Now court when say browse and we issue arrest warrant. Say yan brand you. Also say in breach of my right to be heard. Are you daft? Are you dumb? Wait. The only reason I issue arrest warrant is that when we need you to come and speak, and you say you won't speak, that is when we issue arrest warrant. What's it? There be arrest warrant, no? You issue the NTA once, the arrest warrant the other day. We you contempt of court. What is the need of arrest warrant if you are in court to be heard? And this is the character. Now, when it comes to the jurisdiction of our courts, because the jurisdiction and normal courts in international. When it comes to the jurisdiction, there are two one initiatory jurisdiction and terminatory jurisdiction. They be now we need the jurisdiction of the court, but at the core the impact of it is felt. It is will be the bomb. Echo ship plane mu UK. Now flight ni flyer na do Ghana. The airspace of Ghana. That's a bomb ne blasting. Say ye bibi wa ha. Although crime ne ya anya no Ghana ha. Ye no UK. But the terminatory, there be a case in this Ghana. And the court can have jurisdiction over the case. Daft ass. Again, you don't learn. So Ghanaians, are you not tired of this foolishness? Say akwa no obi anya asemwa. Eso kope die hu bibi beka. Akwa we. They say nya Paul Adumo chi na etumu bi. Na mo mpo yire no so. Obi akodi no. Ama ne yira se agya no. We hweka. We na Ghana for so so. Obia o die case tia. Obia. O start here adwuma. Obia o die case tia. Why no wakanas kwakuba sashia de. Why no wakanas mkrum ha. Ah wanya die hu asem amfa betare. And there's the character you people entertain. Way more. I dig Volabel can't when I'm entertain now.
Answer. Is there? Okay. Is there any words for Ghanaians?
I'll go. Right here. Yes. Let's go.